Hey there, welcome to Brainy Station. Stepping into the world of entrepreneurship as a student is an adventure filled with excitement and challenges. Juggling your studies and a side hustle may sound like a tall order, but it's definitely within reach with a strategic plan in hand. In this video, we're exploring 5 side hustles students can start in 2024, crafted to not only boost your income, but also enrich your life with skills and experiences that will pave the way for your bright future. Before we dive into the specific side hustles, it's crucial to understand the underlying principle of any successful side venture: providing genuine value. The only real path to earning is by offering services, products, or content that others find beneficial enough to pay for. This foundational understanding will shift your perspective from seeking quick cash schemes to building something of real worth. Side hustles are more than just about the extra income. They're about crafting a lifestyle where you have more control and freedom. They allow you to explore passions that might not align with your current study or career path and can serve as a safety net in times of economic uncertainty. For me, side hustles have been transformative, offering both financial freedom and invaluable learning experiences that have shaped my career. Now let's explore 5 potential side hustles that you, as a student, can embark on in 2024. Number 1. Content creation. Dive into the world of content creation, where you can turn your hobbies or what you're learning in class into interesting stories for others. Start by choosing a platform that fits what you like to do best. Love being on camera? Try making videos for YouTube about your daily student life or tips for studying. Prefer writing? Start a blog sharing study guides or reviewing your favorite books. If you're into chatting, a podcast discussing student challenges might be your thing. The trick is to keep sharing regularly and connect with people by replying to their comments or asking what they'd like to see next. Success stories? Look at students who've become YouTube stars with their dorm room cooking shows or study with me sessions. Number 2. Selling digital products. If you're keen on starting an online business but prefer to trade in digital goods, consider the booming market of selling Notion templates. Notion has become a go-to tool for organization, productivity, and much more. And there's a growing demand for customized templates that cater to specific needs, be it for students, professionals, or personal growth enthusiasts. Begin by identifying common challenges or tasks that Notion could streamline, then design templates that offer innovative solutions. For instance, you could create a comprehensive student planner, a project management board for freelancers, or a wellness journal. Showcase your templates on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad, and use social media to demonstrate their features and benefits. Engage with the Notion community online to get feedback and ideas, and continuously refine your offerings based on customer insights. Success in this niche often comes from creating templates that not only look good, but also genuinely enhance productivity. Number 3. Freelancing. Freelancing lets you use skills you already have, like writing essays or making presentations, to help others and get paid for it. Start by listing what you're good at. Are you great at graphic design, writing, or coding? Sites like Fiverr or Upwork are good places to start. Create a profile showcasing your best work, and start with lower prices to get your first few jobs and some good reviews. For example, if you're good at graphic design, you could offer to create logos or social media posts. The key is to communicate well with your clients and always deliver your best work on time. Many students have funded their studies by freelancing in their spare time. Number 4. Tutoring or coaching. If you're acing your courses or have a knack for explaining things, tutoring could be your perfect side hustle. You can start by offering help in subjects you're passionate about, like math, science, or even playing the guitar. Use platforms like tutor.com or even post on local community boards online. Setting up a simple website or a social media page showcasing your expertise and success stories from students you've helped can attract more students. You could also create study materials or video tutorials to sell. Some tutors have turned their side hustle into a full business by expanding their services and hiring other tutors. Number 5. App development or software solutions. If you're studying computer science or just love coding, developing an app or software can be a fulfilling venture. Identify a problem your app can solve, like helping students manage their time or find the best study resources. Begin with a basic version of your app, then get feedback from friends or online communities to make it better. Platforms like GitHub can help you collaborate with others, and you might even find a partner for your project. Many successful apps started as side projects by students who saw a need and decided to fill it with their skills. Remember, perseverance and willingness to learn from feedback are key to succeeding in this area. Balancing studies and a side hustle requires meticulous time management. Use tools like digital planners or the Franklin Covey planner system to keep track of your responsibilities and deadlines. For those interested, I've shared a Notion template I personally use to plan my working days and weeks. This template has been a game changer for me, streamlining my daily routines and making planning a breeze. Check it out and discover how you can transform your approach to daily and weekly planning with Notion. Starting a side hustle as a student is an exciting journey that can significantly enhance your personal and professional growth. It's about more than just making money. It's about developing skills, building confidence, and opening up new possibilities for your future. As we wrap up, I encourage you to take the leap and start that side hustle you've been thinking about. With dedication, a willingness to learn, and a bit of creativity, you can build something truly rewarding. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Let's make 2024 the year you turn your side hustle dreams into reality.